So by default, whenever you copy or cut cells that contain a shape or a chart, let's get this example below, Excel will have the chart move along with the data, as you can see right here. However, there is a setting that you can adjust to where the chart or object will not move with the cells that are underneath it and to only copy the data. To have this happen, you can go to File, all the way down to Options, and then from here, you're going to want to click on Advanced, where you're going to want to scroll down a bit and you're going to see cut, copy, and paste, where the third option right here is cut, copy, and sort inserted objects with the parent cells. Now, by default, this is checked, but when you uncheck this box and then click OK, now whenever I go to highlight the cells with data as well as the chart, and I copy it and I bring it to the right, only the data copies. But if I want the chart or object to move with the data, I go to File, Options, Advanced, Cut, Copy, Paste grouping, and then recheck that box. And then this setting is super helpful to have if you want to have more flexibility on what moves whenever you're copying, cutting stuff around, especially if you're making a dashboard for the example. That's it. I hope you found this super helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.